Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing a couple examples of integration by parts. Now first I want you to remember the formula for integration by parts. What does it say? The integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Now, like I said before, this looks like complete nonsense, but let's pick it out one at a time. What it means is, I'm going to start with this left-hand side. If you give me an integral that is a product, x times sine x, this u dv is going to be the left-hand side, this x sine x. The right-hand side is going to cancel out. You'll just see it. Let me do one example just for you. I need to pick, in other words, I need to pick either x as u and sine x as dv, or I have to do it the other way around. Either x will be v or sine x as u. I'm sorry, dv, because I have u dv. So, just for now, I'm going to just show you. You don't have to worry about where this comes from. I'm telling you for just this time. I'm going to tell you this is the right way. It does matter which one you pick. So what does integration by parts say? X is u and sine x is dv. If x is u, that's my u. And now I need a v. If I have dv, remember that's a derivative. I have to find an antiderivative to find v. So minus cosine x will be v. So u v minus integral v du. That's the derivative of u. What's the derivative of x? It's 1. So 1 is du. Du is 1. So when I simplify, I get minus x cosine x. And then I have double negative means a positive, and I have an integral of cosine x dx. And now cosine x is an easy one. That's just one of my table integrals. X cosine x plus sine x, and then obviously my plus c. So I'm going to do one more just for you. Please, just not having you try it on your own, but please pause if a step confuses you. Please do that. Try to work it out. So now how about integral 4x e to the x. So I need to pick one of them to be u. I have a product. One of them to be u, one of them to be dv. I will pick them for you this time. Oops. And then I need to find v, which means antiderivative, and du, which means derivative. Derivative of 4x is 4. Now I can just plug it into the formula. Remember the formula. This integral is uv 4x e to the x minus the integral v du 4 e to the x. Now the one on the right hand side is just a table integral. That's 4x e to the x minus 4 e to the x plus c. Okay, so that's all this video is. These videos are supposed to be short. If you come see me during a tutoring session, this is where we're actually going to be doing the examples. This is just to get your, so you've seen at least a little bit beforehand. So there's one or two more things that I want you to watch out for before, this is a pre tutoring session video, so I'm keeping it short. There are two methods that some people will teach for integration by parts that I want you to avoid. If you don't see these and it looks like I'm speaking Chinese to you, don't worry about it. But if you see these, don't turn your brain off. If you ever see the word liate, Liate, come up, don't use it. Don't pay attention to it. And the other thing is the DI table. You may find online resources that use this. Your professor might use it. If they do use it, don't worry about it. So, that's about it. I'll see you in the next one.